This is the first snow, and this is these young chickens' first snow experience. And I was wondering if they would run around in the snow. They went right for the warm mush, but I just thought I'd videotape. You know, it's almost like being a chicken in the snow for the first time. Come on out, Steve. Steve's the rooster. The neighbor's kid. Our grandson named him. Come on out. Go run in the snow. Flap your wings. They usually come out and run around first thing in the morning. And I don't know. I think they might just opt to go back in the roofed coop. We'll see. I heard them back with those two long sticks, and I kind of have them trained. I usually put treats and freshen up their food in the coop, so when they go back in, they stay. They are running around. They're such good chickens. Yes, you are. Do you like this? Their little footsies might be getting cold. Such good chickens. Because the coop is so small, they all stay together when they go out roaming, which is good. Steve is very protective. There are coons, foxes, hawks, lots of different predators, so we can't just let them free range all day. So I love letting them out, and they can peck around first thing in the morning, and that's about as much I have time to shepherd. But they're not afraid of the snow. You guys are doing good. Still yummy things to peck on. In their coop, we move it every other day because they pretty much pick out everything, and it gets to be a stinky slop. So Brian has a boat winch hooked up. It's an electric powered winch and a long cable, and it just drags this thing across the lawn. And then he takes the little tractor and pushes it back to the other side. So it just keeps going back and forth, and you can see how dark the grass is where we last dragged it. Oh, where are you going? She might need to lay an egg, or she's checking to see if I put treats out, which I didn't refresh their food since I'm talking to you, so maybe I'll do that. You're looking to see what I left? Yeah? Or do you need to lay an egg? So I made this trough so that I can soak the grain, and then it's more efficient. They eat it all when it's soaked. See how they just, last night I just put dried grain out, and that's what happens. It all goes on the ground and they poop on it. And then other birds eat it. Yeah, she's gonna go lay an egg. Go do it. I should lift the door. Okay, so that's out. Very good. We'll peek in and see what she does. She goes in there. Can you see? I heard someone making that sound. Oh, there's an egg. I should go get it before anybody eats it. Sometimes they eat it because it's cold. They need more fat. Sorry. I upset her, but I'm going to take your egg. Sorry. It's so warm. Looks like they all came in on their own, which is easy for me. Go back in. Is that everybody? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One's upstairs. Yes. Great. I would demonstrate how I herd them together. I also brought them warm water because sometimes their water freezes. So I could just pour through the fence. Sometimes I amend their water with a little sea salt and apple cider vinegar. You're good chickens. Thanks for the egg. So I'll leave this here. And that's a daily chicken chore, which I don't mind. It's good to get out, get some fresh air. Do you love my trough? 2 pieces of alder wood, and then I cut a pipe and we bolted it upside down so it would be stable. But it washes clean, holds moist grain, and it's more efficient for the eating. Either way, thanks for visiting me with my chickens. Late November 2022. I'm gonna head back and prepare for the day, but enjoy that beautiful view of snow. Bye.